So for today's science assignment, what you're going to do is in Google Classroom, there are 4 pictures. One is an ocean scene, one is kind of a mountain scene, another is the Arctic area, and then one is a forest scene. So you're going to see these pictures. I printed mine out. But what you're going to do is you're going to try and see if you can find examples of the hydrosphere, the biosphere, the geosphere, and the atmosphere in this picture. So hydrosphere would have to do with water. Bio would be life, so that could be plant or animal. Geo would be things like rocks, landforms, and atmosphere would have something to do with air or could possibly oxygen. All right. So if I was going to look at this picture, an example of what you would do today is you could actually take a snapshot of this and then you could write on it if you want. However you would like to be able to show. I think there's a form that you can use. So for hydrosphere, obviously this is in water, correct? And it looks to me like it's ocean water. Ocean water. So that means it is salt water. And then what are some things that are living that you see? I see coral. I see fish. Okay. And then do you see any landforms? Looks like maybe there's some rock formations down here. Some rocks. And then I notice right here kind of some bubbles and maybe right here. So I'm going to say that that's the oxygen from the fish, or it could be them breathing out the carbon dioxide, right? Right, so you would just kind of graffiti that on the paper, or I think there's another form where you could just write next to hydrosphere, you would write ocean water, that it's salt water. Next to bio, you would write the fish, maybe the coral. Next to atmosphere, you'd write the bubbles that are coming from the fish are an example of the air, oxygen, and then maybe the rock formations at the bottom. So it doesn't have to be a lot, just a little bit about each one, trying to see if you can find ways that the hydrosphere, biosphere, geosphere, and atmosphere are interacting in that particular picture.